Okay guys, I'm just right here by my granny's house, okay? I'm going to spy right here, okay? Just gonna spy. Sure, yeah. She's right in here. Tell me if you see her. Just tell me in the comments, like, if you see her, okay? Hey guys, I'm right here. Yeah, so scary. I don't know who it is, but I'm gonna knock and run. Guys, I'll see you in part 2. Peace. Like for part 2. Peace, guys. Peace.